Hi guys, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add divider in your blog like this using Divi page builder. To add a divider in your blog, first you need to log in to the dashboard. Once you successfully logged in to your site, go to posts and click on all posts. Now select a post and click on Edit with Divi button. Now scroll down, click on plus icon where you want to add divider. Select a regular section, then select a single row. Now search module divider. Select this one. As you can see, the divider was added. Now go to design. From line you can change the line color. I'll select this one. Line style, you have multiple options here. I will select double. Change position to vertically centered. Make its size to 5 pixels. You can increase or decrease its width. Make its alignment to center. Now in spacing, you can add margin or padding. Now add shadow like this. I will not add any shadow. Animation, make it zoom. Now click on the stick button. Click on these three dots and save the post. Once the post was saved, click on Exit Visual Builder. Now scroll down. As you can see, the divider was zoomed in. That's how you can add a divider in your blog using Divi Builder. Hope you learned something from this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel for future updates about Divi Page Builder. Thanks for watching.